Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. Warmly welcome to my subscriber to my YouTube channel where we explore the world of fabulous hairstyle tailored for the black woman. So dear viewers, in this video we are diving into the captivating realm of the Pixie Bob Haircut Designs, tailored specifically for our beautiful queens. If you are in search of a style, low maintenance, and empowering the haircut, you have come to the right place. So, dear viewers, don't forget to like my video and share it and subscribe my channel for more inspiring hairstyle ideas tailored just for you. Let's dive into the world of Pixie Bob haircuts for the black woman. So, dear viewers, join me on this journey as I celebrate the versatility and the beauty of the Pixie Bob haircut for the black woman. So, get ready to embrace the confidence, elegance, and a new level of self expression with these incredible haircut designs. So, dear viewers, I suggest you to watch my video till end because you can get very amazing and very eye-catching designs and haircut styles that can boost up your confidence and enhance the beauty of your personality. So guys, I suggest you watch my video till end. And dear viewers, if you want to see more stylish haircut designs and more fashionable designs, so press the bell icon button and comment me because your comments are also very valuable for me. And by pressing the bell icon, you can get my upcoming and updated videos about the style and haircut designs. So dear viewers, you can enjoy my videos by my channel Life with Style. So dear subscriber, Pixie Bob haircuts are all the range and they are a perfect match of the black woman, accentuating over the natural beauty and confidence, from bold and daring to subtle and sophisticated. We have curated the best Pixie Bob haircut designs to inspire your next salon visit. So dear viewers, by watching my video, you can get very unique, crafted to complement different face shapes, designs, and personal styles haircut designs. Whether you prefer a sleek, asymmetrical cut or you are